What's going on, guys? Today is December 28th. I can hear you smiling. Today is December 28th. We are heading out to go clean out a drain, and then we just received a phone call for a busted water line underneath the crawl space. So we'll see you when we get there. Whatever it was, we already got it.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want me to dig up the...
Yeah, I do. I want to be a plumber. This has got to have been leaking.
For a while.
For who knows, dude. I mean, this is a pond down here. Creepy crawlies. Huh? Nice. You just keep looking for them snakes. You let me know if you find one, because we're getting out of here. Oh, man. There's a wire just hanging down in here.
Probably not good.
That's not good. Oh. You gotta love plumbing, baby. You gotta love plumbing. It looks a little dry up there. I'm looking forward to that part. Gotta love plumbing, baby. You just gotta love plumbing, baby. So what Riley's doing right now, he's going out there to turn the water on at the street so we can figure out where this is leaking from. Lovely. I love it. I love what I do. I enjoy it every day. A little cold right now. A little cold, a little wet, a little muddy. But I love it. What?
Alright, so unfortunately our camera ran out of storage and stopped recording halfway through the repair. But what we did was we cut this 90 out of this water line, and it was the cold supply going up to the kitchen sink, and they had a split right there on the 90. So what we did was cut it out. We put 2 couplings on both ends of the pipe, and we put a crimp 90 right there and a little bit of PEX, and that solved the issue.
All right.